Go ahead, turn it. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Oh, that's your this.
Yeah. Hey, leg up. Hey. 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 He don't turn it down. Just gon' turn it up. The crew off in this bitch shouting, we don't give a fuck. Leg up. Turn it up. Turn it up. Hey. 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 This ain't no play, bro. We don't do this for no fun, cuz. We do this for fun, cuz. Turn it up. Young Swag. Young Swag. Turn it up. And shout it turned up. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Going in.
Turn it up. Turn it up. Turn it up. Turn it up. Hey. Bitch, I'm going in. Hey. Hit me with that gin. Hey. Gon' call her friends. Hey. And they gon' get it in. Hey. Pushing like a push-up nigga trying to get it over. Okay. Got 5 bitches pulling up in them rovers. Turn it up. West side, these trill niggas. West side, Fatfield niggas. Ends lit to Midfield. Where you know niggas get killed. If they turn me up, they gon' turn me down. Cause I put that AK up, niggas about to hit the ground. Hail Mary full of grace. Put that Glock up in your face. I've been all up in this place, sipping on that fucking pace. Ask me how it tastes, bass. It's that Maybach music. Now that's that Fairfield music. Look who nigga, how we do it. Turn it up. Please don't turn it down. Fairfield, don't fuck with it. Don't fuck with it. Hey, I'm fucked up.
For Junior, my nigga Dennis.
I'ma turn it up one time. I make a move back. I got them bullets that's located in them fucking west. I put your body on the track and step all on your fucking shit. I swear to God, I let my little nigga then come and ruin your shit. Keep them fucking pistols grip. Every nigga hollow tips. I keep them 100 round drums ready to point it to lips. Every nigga know I'm in this bitch. Crew cross the chest. I swear to God, I'm a gangsta nigga. I never wear a fucking vest. Keep my Glock up on my hip. Nothing but them hollow tips. If you ain't LC's up, nigga, hey, put that shit in your lip. Every nigga know this shit. I'm D-Storm and in this bitch. Not them lame man. Fuck niggas. Walker coming. Be my shit. I'ma be all in your grill when I. What? Oh, I thought there was something happening.
I thought somebody was getting chased. Come on, just went straight through the stop sign, boy. They live raw out here.
These niggas real.
These niggas real out here.
These niggas real.
Okay. Wait, you whistling, man. Oh. Put your business still where they got monster, dog.